Hey guys, let's see how to reset the Tapo C615 camera. There are different ways to do it. The first one is just come here directly to the camera and physically reset. I just need to open this rubber flap and reset from here. Or I can use my cell phone. You see that I have my phone working with the Tapo app, and I come here to this gear, and then all the way down I can find this option here to remove camera. If I tap here and confirm, the camera is going to reset. All right, let's just start here with the physical reset. So just need to come here and open this flap, and from here you can see the button to reset. Okay, you see that I have a power button there and a reset button. I'm just put this in a different position so you see this better. All right, and I can even move the camera so we can see this. There we go. Look a little bit up. There we go. Now you can see the reset button just right here. I'm just adjust the focus here to see better. There we go. So I can use my fingernails here to reset, or I can use a paper clip like this one. Let me just try that way. I'm gonna come here under the camera and then press the reset. There we go. Kind of hard operation here. Press and hold. There we go. I'm holding the camera. I'm gonna see the LED flashing.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
There we go. The camera talks to you, and there's also an LED flashing. So the camera is going to reset and start doing the movement and the horizontal and also in the vertical. Basically it's the pan movement and also the tilt movement. There we go. I can even close the flap. I'm gonna do this later because the camera is moving, so it's better let the camera move first, and later I can just close the rubber flap. And you just need to wait the camera to start flashing the LED. It's gonna start flashing red and green. Then you're ready for the setup. There we go. And I can just come here and close this rubber flap. Remember, this is waterproof, so you need to have this closed like this so it doesn't get water inside. Okay, so the LED is flashing here, red and green. The camera is ready for the setup. You just bring your Tapo app, and from here you can add a new device. You see there is a plus signal just here on the top, and you can add a new device. And from here look for outdoor cameras and the Tapo C615. Just go down one. You can also search here if you want to. You have a lot of different Tapo cameras. There we go, Tapo C615. Now it's already flashing red and green, so I'm good to go. The camera is going to connect directly to the cell phone. That's the first stage. And then the cell phone can let the camera know which Wi-Fi to use. So directly connection first via Bluetooth. And then here I see my router's signal, okay? You can just pick yours. In this case, mine is this one, which is a Wi-Fi with the 2.4 gigahertz. You see here the information works only with 2.4 gigahertz network. Then I select this one. And this is my password for the router. The same password that I use to connect my phone, my computer to the router, okay? So now, when I hit next, I just need to confirm, and the cell phone is going to inform the camera that the camera needs to use this Wi-Fi and this password. I just hit next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. There's the message. The Wi-Fi is connected. I just need to wait a little bit more. There we go. Now I just need to name the camera and hit next. Select a location like office. Hit next again. Select an icon. Next one more time. And we are almost there. It's complete. You see, it sounds good. Here's the 30-day trial. I'm going to dismiss and hit got it. Now this is the Tapo hub that I have here. I'm not gonna do this right now, maybe later. You're not gonna see this screen if you don't have the Tapo hub. I do, that's why I have it, this option here. Here's the SD card. I have an SD card already here, so I'm good to go. I just hit got it. Firmware update, the camera is going to update itself between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. I just hit got it. Hit next, next again. There's a lot of information here that you can read. You just need to wait a little bit so you can hit next, next again, again. 5 seconds more. Just read the information here on how to install the camera and hit next. And charge now, mount later. Just to exit here the wizard. And there we go. The camera is ready, working again. And we're good to go, okay? And again, let me just show you here that you can come here as well to the gear icon. And all the way down here, you can reset the camera. Let me just do this way so it's a remote reset. When I press here, I'm going to remove the camera. I'm going to confirm. You're going to see the camera talking to me that's being reset. And also the LED is going to flash, right? So let me just click here, remove.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
And there we go. And then we start the process all over again. Super, super simple. Basically, that's the way you can reset a Tapo C615. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.